Welcome students. Now I would like to share a brief introduction of Shad that is 6 Indian philosophies. Very important topic. So let's continue. The word Darsana means philosophy in English. Philosophy word has been derived from Latin words philos plus sophia. Here, philos means love and sophia means knowledge. So, philosophy means to have love for knowledge. The word darsana is derived from the word dars of Sanskrit language, which means to see, observe, or analyze. Thus, darsana means to know about the secret of life on this planet. The six darsanas are Nyaya, Visheshik, Sankhya, Mimamsa, Vedant, and Yoga. So let's see details. First is Nyaya Darshan. Maharishi Gautam is the founder of Nyaya Darshan. Important point. The main aim of this philosophy is to gain real knowledge of tattvas, knowledge of elements, mind, man, and spirit. Important point, very important point. Note down. So that one can attain salvation or moksha, freedom from the cycle of death and rebirth. This doctrine have firm faith in God, Ishwar. It considers that God is the supreme power. He created the universe, also controls and operates it. This philosophy depicts the importance of God in detail and believes that one can attain salvation only with the kind help of God, that the Almighty. This philosophy also describes the six virtues, that is, Siddheswaras gunas of Ishvara. There are 5 chapters in Nyaya philosophy. Each one is further divided into 2 parts. According to this philosophy, there are 4 kinds of paramanas: pratyaks parman, anuman parman, upman parman, and agam parman. For these paramanas, I have already presented a separate video lecture. Tark Shastra and Gyan Shastra are considered more important in Nyaya Darshan. This doctrine considers that to attain moksha, knowledge of tattvas is very important. Important point. To gain knowledge of tattvas, 6 padarthas are explained. These 16 padarthas are Parman, Parmey, Sanshya, Prayojan, Drishtant, Siddhant, Avyay, Trak, निर्णय वाद जलव वितंड हेत्वाभास छल जाति and निग्रह. Next is Vaisheshik Darshan. Maharishi Kanad is the founder of this philosophy. Important point. Like Nyaya philosophy, this philosophy also gives importance to salvation and moksha and considers Ishwar as Almighty and Supreme Power, who is the master and controller of this world. This philosophy also favors the principle of Srishtivad, important, and says that Srishti, this universe, is composed of the 4 main atoms having 4 kinds of nature and quality. These are Prithvi, earth, Jal, water, Vayu, air, and Agni, fire. This darshan also explains the principle of Parlay, that is, destruction of this universe. According to this philosophy, there are 2 paramanas, that is, Pratyaks and Anuman. This philosophy is divided into 10 chapters having 370 sutras in all. Each chapter is further divided into 2 subparts. This philosophy is very useful to gain the real knowledge of the nature of padarthas. The real knowledge of padarthas is very important to gain the real knowledge of this universe. Important point. According to Visheshik Darshan, there are 6 kinds of bhav padarthas: dharv, gun, karmas, samanya, vishesh, and somewhere. The total darvas are of 9 kinds: Prithvi, Agni, Jal, Vayu, Akash, Kala, Atma, and Mana. Gunas are of 24 kinds and karmas are of 5 types. These are 5 types of karmas: Utshepan, Akshepan, Ankuchan, Prashan, and Kaman. Next is Sankhya philosophy. Maharishi Kapil is the founder of this philosophy. Important. This is one of the oldest philosophy. Note down important point. It favors the Satkaryavad Siddhant. Very important point. And denies the Srishtivad Siddhant of Nyaya philosophy. Important point. This philosophy also denies Ishwaryavad. According to Sankhya philosophy, the cause of this world is the union of Push and Prakriti. Very important point. The qualities of Prakriti begin changing when Push and Prakriti come close to each other. Important point. Three gunas, Sattav, Rajas and Tamas of Prakriti changes and Mahat intellect is evolved fast. Second evolute is Ahankar, ego. Important point. Ahankar is of 3 kinds: Satvik Ahankar, Tamsik Ahankar and Rasik Ahankar. Satvik Ahankar give rise to the Manas, that mind, 5 Jananendriyas, organs of senses, and 5 Karmendriyas, organs of actions. Tamsik Ahankar give rise to 5 Tanmatras, and further 5 Tanmatras give rise to Panch Mahabhuts. Important points. Thus, the total tattvas are 25, that is Push, Prakriti, Mahat, Ahankar, Manas, 5 Janendriyas, 5 Karmendriyas, 5 Tanmatras, and 5 Panch Mahabhuts. Sankhya philosophy considers the creation of the world as development process. Important point. According to Sankhya philosophy, the types of paramanas are 3: Pratyaks, Anuman, and Sabd Parman. Next is Yoga philosophy. Maharishi Patanjali is the founder of Yoga philosophy. This philosophy is also known as practical philosophy. Important point. It supports almost all the views of Sankhya philosophy. Important. Yog Darshan or Yog Shastra is divided into 4 chapters: Samadhipad, Sadhanpad, Vibhutipad, and Kevalyapad. The 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga, Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi, are explained in this philosophy. Next is Mimamsa philosophy, Mimamsa Darshan. The word Mimamsa means investigation. Important. It consists 16 chapters, out of which first 12 are written in series. Although there is no single and common opinion about the number of verses in it, most commonly accepted number of verses is 2745. This darshana is divided into 2 parts: Purva Mimamsa by Jaimini and Uttar Mimamsa by Maharishi Vedvyas. In Purva Mimamsa, the Kramkand part of Vedas is explained. So this part is also known as Karma Mimamsa, whereas in Uttar Mimamsa, the Jankant part of Vedas is explained. Uttar Mimamsa is divided into 4 parts: Samya, Avirodh, Sadhan, and Phal Adhyay. This philosophy believes that a person can get heaven only by the means of yag, havans, and sacrifices. It gives more importance to karmas, deeds. 5 kinds of karmas are explained in darshan: Nitya karm, Naimitik karm, Kamya karm, Nisidh karm, and Prayashchit karm. This philosophy says that whatever we do, we must have to reap the results. Very important point. Every action activity of karma has its result. Important point. Next is Vedanta philosophy. The word Vedanta means end of Vedas. Vedanta is the teaching of Upanishad. The three main schools of Vedanta are Advaitvad by Shankaracharya, Dvaitvad by Madhvacharya, and Vishisht Dvaitvad by Ramanujacharya. So these are the 6 Indian philosophies. Dear students, I have already uploaded many videos related to important topics. You can check in playlists such as Chit Vrittis, Panch Kleshas, Elements of Success and Failure in Yoga, Panch Koshas, Panch Mahabhuts, Kriya Yoga, Types of Karmas from Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and Types of Devotees, Navda Bhakti, Types of Bhavas in Bhakti, Three Gunas from Bhagavad Gita, and from Hatha Yoga, Types of Nadis, Chakras, Prans, 8 types of Siddhis, Pathya and Apathya diet for yogis, and from Ayurveda, types of disease according to Ayurveda, 3 dosas, and all these videos you can check in playlist. Thank you.